Hello and welcome. My name is Sanad Abamir and I'm presenting my project for the عمل اللي هي competition. Uh, my main goal is to discuss and present the opportunity of using a modern camouflage system for dealing with modern battlefield threats such as the use of AI within drones. As I said, with modern innovations such as the use and deployment of drones all over across the world, AI also has followed with it, and along with the use of optical sensors such as cameras, AI has much finding cuts, which is our main problem. Now, another thing we have to cover is the use of thermals. Thermals is the use of infrared or heat signature seeking technologies, something that detects the heat coming off or emitted from an object. Now, while it does prove a challenge for camouflage systems, they are not exactly widely used. They are used in specialized equipment, which are expensive, but most of the time, detection and optics are mainly dominated by normal usage and AI. Which brings us to our system, which is used to handle with the use of AI and modern systems. It consists of 3 different layers: a dynamic adversarial overlay. It's a standard mesh, for example, something like this, like standard camouflage. It will be act like as a base set, as a base layer. Following this, we actually have the adaptive optical surface, which would consist of different hexagons that will have a display system on them. This will be paired with a sensor which will help detect the surroundings of color, texture, the depth, the ground, and will then be processed by it will be sensed, then processed, and then displayed to help actually cover the system itself. So it reduces basically the values or probabilities of detection but greatly. And it makes it a dynamic camouflage system rather than something static, where static you have to depend on one different single configuration. This will actually change and help imitate the surroundings, changing based on what's needed, and allowing for multi-terrain and multi things which are suited for different weathers and conditions. This is an example of how it will work: a circuitry, the use of ESP32 controller for controlling it, and T.O.F is a sensor. It's for sensing. It's actually what's the main sensor for detecting the colors and depth around it. We'll use multiple ones on the side of the vehicles to actually detect what's going on. And this system actually can cost less than $100. Based on the estimates, we actually reach between 58 to 70 JDs. Now, for actual battlefield deployments, it can go from 300,000 all the way to up 1.2 million. This depends on the vehicle and the scale at which you're using, and this also includes the things such as for thermal and night vision capabilities to hide them. And that's it, and thank you so much for your time.